was ice this morning. Ooh,
boy,
what did you
yeah.
see?
Lucky to have that break, believe it or not, now versus the next couple of days when it gets much colder. Let's start here, though, and we show you what's going on at Sandia Peak. Some high and mid-level clouds, not much going on right now, but it was sort of a gray day at times today with some cloud cover coming in advance of that next storm system, and as that storm closes in, it will bring the possibility of some snow, and we will see the best snow amounts in our viewing area up around places like Durango and north of Durango at the Durango Mountain Resort. You can see the deck dropping here because we are starting to get some snow up here, and that's going to be one of those areas that's got a chance to do okay. The New Mexico resorts will see a possibility of some snow as well. Not as much, but 1 to 4 inches will be a possibility across the north here, and that high terrain coming up tomorrow as well. But the bigger story by far is going to be the wind and the cold. High wind warnings all across the east into the metro area for tomorrow. Gusts to 55 here in the city. Wind advisories across the southeast and west central sections as well for gusts to 50 miles an hour. Winter weather advisories, New Mexico, San Juans into the Northwest Plateau, and then winter storm warnings going up into the San Juans of southwestern Colorado. A foot plus is likely in those areas. 41 degrees in the Albuquerque metro area right now. Winds aren't a big deal. East-southeast winds, not bad, 7 miles an hour. 30s and 40s for the most part across the north. Down to the south, 30s, 40s, and some 50s holding on. As far as the storm goes, it is churning here to our northwest. Now, the track on this thing is not ideal. It's going to turn a little too much to the north here to give us big-time snow, but we are going to increase the moisture, and you can see that coming in and out of the southwest right now. So throughout the night, expanding snow will be a possibility across the west and then up into the northern mountains. Break down that storm report for you. Now through Saturday is the time frame that we are watching, or actually really, we're probably going to see this thing again Friday, but early Saturday we could still see some snow showers out there with the second piece of this system. Much colder temps on the way with this, strong westerly winds and mountain snow showers. Plus potential is actually pretty low on this, just 30%, because we're basing it on the wind and the cold and light snow, and I think we're going to get all of those. So as the system comes in tonight, we'll see an expansion of the snow showers across the west, and then as it slides through the state tomorrow, winds become a huge factor all across New Mexico with plummeting temperatures as well, and those snow showers will be relegated to the north, not only throughout the day tomorrow, but into Saturday as well, along with very cold temperatures. Highs over the weekend going to be in the low 30s here in the city with lows right around 10 degrees. So it is going to be pretty cold stuff out there. And here's a look at what's going on overnight. You get the snow showers out to the west and over into the north. But notice what happens as we push throughout the day. Yeah, we could see a quick snow shower here in the metro. I just don't think we're going to see anything accumulating to mean much. And then those snow showers stay up over the northern mountains, and they're not all that prolific. As you can see here, not a lot, a little bit here and there. And then a few more snow showers break out on Saturday with that second piece of storm system coming through. But unless you're in a mountain section, I don't think you're going to see much accumulating snow, and even that doesn't look great. But go north of Durango, Pagosa Springs, that's where the big snow is over the next 24 hours, and then you get extreme cold, just teens in Durango coming up for Saturday and Sunday. Into the northwest, snow at times, a few inches of snow, not out of the question around Farmington, even into Gallup and Dulce. Saturday and Sunday, cooler temps. Southwest, temperatures here 30s and 40s. A snow shower, southwest winds 20 to 30, gusting to 40 miles an hour out there. And then into Sunday, things quiet down. And even across the southwest, it's going to be brief if we see some snow. Southeast, wind, the big story here. Gusts up to 55 miles an hour. Plenty of sunshine throughout the weekend and into next week, but cold. 30s and 40s across the northeast with a ton of wind. Watch I-25 and those cross winds tomorrow. Those will be a concern. Chance at a snow shower, but nothing significant. Hopefully a few inches of snow for the resorts throughout the day tomorrow. Then they'll have much colder temperatures on the way throughout the weekend and into next week. The wind gusts tomorrow up to 60. 34 Cedar Crest, 36 Edgewood, and 33 in Mountain Air. And here into the metro, gusty winds for tomorrow. Partly cloudy, a quick snow shower, a possibility, but the bigger story, highs only in the 30s tomorrow and then low 30s throughout the weekend and well into next week.